Leslie here with my big teacher planner unboxing. I picked this up at, well, their website. I was about to say Michael's, and then I remembered, no, silly, you ordered this off of their website. I did order this on their teacher launch day. I think there's also like student planners as well. So I decided to order the box kit. So I'm going to show you everything that's in it. Mine in particular, I believe was called Bloom, I think. No. What is it called? I don't know. That's on the cover. It says Bloom from Within on the cover, is what I will tell you. And then it's for the 2022-2023 school year. We are about to finish 2022, so that's exciting. All right, so let's dive in. So one of the reasons I bought the box was because you also got some stickers. Now they tend to like, yeah, they put some sticky. They put some sticky on the back of these always. So this one has to do, no school, first day of school, last day of school, lesson plan stickers, and some what I consider half boxes. And then there's some quotes here that say, live your life in full bloom, see the beauty in all the things. So adorable, love that one. And then this next sheet that is stuck to a thing. Let me get this. It has rose gold foiling. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. And it's got like a daisy and then some pink flowers and then some other, I'm not sure, it kind of looks like a cherry blossom to me. And then it's got these little tiny flags and then these almost like full boxes of get it done checklist, little flowers at the bottom. And then this is just a floral sheet, which I love. I feel like these look like Brown-Eyed Susans. I feel like they look like it, but it's definitely like a wildflower kind of planner and wildflower kind of stickers. So you get 3 little sticker sheets in the box. You get all 3. And then the next thing, which I was excited about, because y'all know I love a good pocket. So these remind me of like the little money saver things, like the money envelopes that people do. So this one's like periwinkle and blue. This might be loud. Okay, I tried. But they are long enough to like hold receipts, I would say. I probably wouldn't use these for like pens or pencils. It just doesn't have the extra dimension on the side. I would be worried about splitting this binding that I feel like they just melted and probably, I don't know. It looks like a melting kind of thing. So the front on this one says, surround yourself with beauty. Ooh, look at that snap-in tab with the florals on it. Adorable. And then I think there's 2. I thought there was only 1. So you get 2 of these, 2 pockets. This one's entirely floral and does not have a quote on it. I won't pop it open. This one has daisies on it and then some more of those like pink blossoms. I'm just going to call them pink blossoms because now they don't look like cherry blossoms. I don't know. All right, and then this, this piece, I honestly don't use because it's too big in my opinion. So there is always like a cello kind of plasticky cover on this. I guess it's to protect it. I'm not really sure. But you always want to make sure you take that off. Mine tore funny. It's now stuck on some of these little edges, so I'm going to have to peel those off. But that way you can see it better on the camera. So it's a big floral bookmark tab. I always tend to feel like this is so big it gets in the way. Unless I'm wanting to mark like, I guess where next month is, and then I don't mind if it's too much in the way. I'm not sure. Do you guys use these giant ones? Do you cut them down? Like, I guess that's an option. I could just cut it in half. I don't know. I do what I want. I do what I want. Okay, this is my first ever big Happy Planner sticker pocket. Man, that plastic was stuck to my finger. It says Bloom from Within because that's kind of the whole theme. It feels kind of like frosted, but it's a very thick cardstock, I will say. So this would be handy for like sub plans or notes from meetings, things like that, or planner stickers. It says the same thing on both sides, and you get 2 pockets, so that's really nice. I feel like it might not quite fit an 8.5 by 11 though. I'd have to check, and I don't have one like super near me. So, but I like this. That's beautiful. I love daisies. All right, let's get into the planner. Yay! Finally, the planner. Okay, so that's all the extra goodies. The extra goodies. This box is really pretty too, but it's not floral all the way through. It's just on the edges, and then it still has like the planner info on the sides, so that's not like super, I don't know. I probably won't keep it. I'm going to be honest. I'm going to be honest with you. Okay, so the discs right here are rose gold. This one's looking a little chipped, but that's okay. It's going to get chipped in my tote bag anyway. But always check those. Make sure they're not broken when you like first get them, things like that. So the cover here has some rose gold foiling on it, and it says bloom from within. It has those pink flowers. All right, so we're opening. Let's center it up. All right, so big floral right here. So gorgeous. Oh, we need to snip this. Let me get my handy dandy We Are Memory Keepers itty bitty planner scissors. They're not called that. I just call them that. That's not a thing. Oh, also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Because sometimes when I do these unboxing videos, I get some new people. So it says, welcome to your Happy Planner teacher layout. Now, teacher layout could be for anybody. I'll talk about that too as I go through. So it says this big Happy Planner teacher edition belongs to you. You can put your name, your room number, your school, and like the school address, I guess. I don't think you'd put your home address. Teach a happy life, and then it puts the school year dates in there for you, which I usually like to cut out on my Cricut, and I do custom vinyls as well. I like to put the dates on the front of the planner because I keep mine. They help me time manage my next unit for the next year or so. And it's also kind of a memory thing of like, oh, how long did I spend on that? Or, oh, was that a good lesson? So I kind of look at it that way. So there's a little academic calendar overview. I sometimes use this for our school calendar. I can notate and even create a little key for when there's teacher work days or when there's like days there's no school and things like that. School schedule, it has like start time, recess, lunch, recess, and what time school ends, reliable students, reliable teachers, additional notes, and then notes for the substitute. So this is a page that you could pull out and leave for the sub, but I don't teach elementary, I teach high school, so recess and stuff is not relevant. And also next year I'm going to be teaching a lot of semester classes. All right, this one is always good for putting student birthdays. I will say that because you can quickly go to it and see whose birthday is this month. You can put it in the monthly spread too, but it could get lost. So there's all of those. It highlights when the weekends are. Okay, here's kind of our like dashboard for the week or for the month. It has August, and then it has a grid, and then it has the dot grid over here. This one's more like the graph paper. Priorities and goals, and then it says important dates. So I like the simplicity of this over here. That's very handy. This matches the cover, and it's got some foiling on it as well. Even the tab is foiled. So we start school around the second week of August. I'm trying to remember when my first day to report back is. I mean, let me just start my summer break, right? Before I'm figuring out when I'm going back to school. They do have some funny holidays in here, like International Left-Handers Day. Some not so funny, Women's Equality Day. But they tend to add a few more holidays to the teacher planner than what they have in the regular classic planner, I will say. Okay, so here's what a weekly layout looks like. I haven't planned in my teacher planner on my channel in a while, so maybe you haven't noticed. I get one conference block, and then I teach 3 classes in one day. But then I have 3 classes every day. They're just different. So I need all of the boxes, but I don't. So like on like this day, I might only need this one, and this one. Does that make sense? So some teachers need all of them because they're elementary teachers and they teach like all the subjects in one day. So that's always helpful. I usually make this box my to-do list and conference block, even if it's not like in order. That's usually just how I like to do it. And then I usually put meetings in underneath the dates here, or if it's a spirit week or something. That's usually how I do it. I do like that it's just dots right here. It's very plain, so I can do my own thing even though it's a floral planner. There's not a lot of floral in the spreads. I know that bothers some people, especially if they don't want a decorative planner. All right, so here's September. I just like to show you the dividers. This one does not have foiling, but really pretty flowers. And then there's our monthly overview for September. See, Positive Thinking Day. That's what I mean by like the extra holidays. I know that those are not in there. Johnny Appleseed Day, which I know they celebrate at my son's elementary school. So, you know, it just depends on the school. Oh my gosh, I was hoping. When I saw this on the pocket, I was really hoping it was going to be a divider. And it pretty much is. I feel like this part was added because that's not on this one. Yeah, but I'm loving that one for October. All right, and then November. Okay, good. They put Indigenous Peoples Day. And then and National Cat Day, of course. All right, the November one says, surround yourself with beauty. I like that one. Wasn't that one of the stickers? I feel like it was. Was it one of the stickers? Was it? Was it? Yes. No, it wasn't, but that would have been a good one. There's probably a teacher sticker book that matches this. I'm pretty sure there was. And I was like, I'll just get the kit and then not buy the sticker book. Because sometimes the sticker books get marked down, especially the teacher ones. All right, so that was November. December is got some floral sprigs. This kind of looks like eucalyptus or something. It doesn't look Christmassy at all. I mean, those could be juniper berries. They're probably just flower buds, but I really like it. I was kind of worried I wasn't going to like the floral stuff during like the fall and the winter, but it's really not that bad because it's only on the divider tabs. Okay, and then this one, January, I want to be free like the flowers. That's adorable, and it's gold foiled. So they mix some gold in there. I'll be interested to know if there's some silver. If there's some silver in here. Okay, so February has a gold foiled tab. National Sticker Day, January 13th. Put that in your planner if it's not in yours. All right, so February. Oh, I love it. So it's a whole bunch of colorful flowers. We just planted some more flowers in my front yard in my garden, so I'm excited. But there's all this gold foiling all over. It looks so cute. It's kind of like the pollen, though. It does remind me of, like, pollen. There's literally pollen everywhere right now. Are you guys feeling that? It is spring, at least where I live. All right. Oh, okay. Missed opportunity here because March, they put all of the pink flowers they possibly could. Feel like that would have been better in February. Although a bouquet of flowers is also appropriate for February for Valentine's Day. I don't know. You tell me. Do you think they should have put this in February? Should they have put the March tab in February? That is our big debate that we are going to have. All right, April is a rose gold tab. And it says, see the beauty in all the things. Okay, that is one of the stickers. That is one of them. So this one has rose gold foiling, and it's got the, like, flowers bordering it. Love that. Okay, any extra holidays here? I don't think so. All right, May. Oh, when do you guys get out of school? I would love to know. Okay, so this is similar to March, just in the blues, and totally matches that pocket right there, doesn't it? That's so cute. Mine's got some, like, stuff on it. I have to see if I can clean that off. I don't know. So there's May, which is our last month of school, and I don't teach summer school. It's not really by choice. I've applied in the past, but it fills up pretty quickly for, like, the subject that I teach. There's National Teacher Appreciation Day, but we know we do the whole week because kids forget. And then we have June. It says grow where you are planted. So sometimes I leave June in there just because it's my birthday. So I'll leave June, at least a monthly spread. And then to make my planner a little lighter, I usually rip out July. And the rest of June, like all of the weeks of June, I usually rip out. I don't know about you guys. If you start in September, do you rip out August? Like, I would love to know. Or is there a lot of pre-planning and meetings for you? We just have the, like, we call them Genesis days, and it's like the 5 days before the school year starts that we have to report. Here's a bunch more flowers on July. And then there's the July spread. Look, they included Canada Day. That's good. International Day of Friendship. Okay. And then we have a checklist. So there's a page of notes. I usually save this page. Page of notes because I do take notes in my meetings. I also have, like, the inserts. But I don't think they're for the big Happy Planner. I think they're regular Happy Planner inserts. This one says, live your life in full bloom. I love that one. All right, and then this is good for a classroom checklist if you need it. One of the ways that you can use this and not have to rewrite their names is you can fold this over. And then when you fold it over, then the names line up again. In case that's what you wanted to do. But it kind of depends. You could be using this for attendance, for turning things in, for points. I mean, I feel like a lot of us have digital grade books now, but these are always good if you're trying to, like, check off other things in your classroom. I have before. We had to take attendance for our virtual days that we randomly had this year. So I wrote it down in the back, actually, on who showed up. I just wrote their names and then, like, the day of the class and, like, if they were present. So that was really helpful because then I could go enter it later and verify if they did an assignment and things like that. All right, so let's skip to the back. So it's got some florals on the back and then it always says plan a happy life. I like that one. I like these florals so much. I'm so glad I picked this one. then it's got that, it's like purple, but it's like not purple. It's very like periwinkle purple. Like periwinkle in the purple sense of periwinkle. Because I feel like this is more periwinkle. This is like a darker version of this and has more blue in it. But yeah, so that's a really cool box kit. I feel like in the past, there's been washi tape. Kind of miss that. Not going to lie. Kind of miss the washi tape, but I'm sure there's washi tape that they sell separately that matches. And then these little pockets are nice. Add stickers usually happens. I don't remember getting one of these before, and then usually I get these, but they're like skinnier. It might come with one wide one. But getting like 3 pockets and a bookmark-ish tab and 3 sheets of stickers, not bad, not too bad. And then also if you are a teacher, they do offer a teacher discount on their website. You just have to like register through that like other site that verifies that you're a teacher to get your teacher discount. And then Happy Planner does have a rewards program. I don't know if you guys know about that. So I'll link the referral rewards thing in the description box below. But if you're getting a teacher planner or a student planner, I would love to know, or if you're using it in a different way. So I did say that I was going to explain how you could use this in other ways. All right, so you have every day. You got every day, okay? If you have events like that happen every week, or if you want to designate a row for each kid in your family or spouse, or loved one that that you have to like regularly check in on or something like that. If you are trying to meal plan in one box, like your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then also put in what you're doing, you could turn it in kind of like a somewhat hourly for your AM over here and like PM stuff over here. So there's lots of ways that you could utilize this. I just haven't ever featured it that way because I always use it as just a teacher planner. But you don't have to use it as a teacher planner. I don't want you guys to think that. So there you go. That is my planner for next year. I always say that I'm going to try to do Plan With Me's in it. I'll say it again. I'll try to do Plan With Me's in it. I usually start off pretty strong, doing some like planner setup video before the school year starts, and then it's really hard to keep up with a ton of Plan With Me's. But as of right now, I do 2 Plan With Me's a week. So thanks for checking out this video. Thanks for sitting with me while I unbox my beautiful new teacher planner. Can't believe it's making me excited about the next school year. I need to let this one just finish out, honestly. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you have the notification bell turned on because you don't want to miss any of my future videos. And when you click on the notification bell, make sure that you hover over it and you click all notifications, or it won't send you every single one. So, all right, thank you guys. Bye.